Hello guys, welcome to Noor Online YouTube channel. Right now I'm going to share with you one of very important stuff that you have to do or to avoid your YouTube to be demonetized by the YouTube. What I did, or the mistake that I made, I did not realize that there's a problem there because there's no copyright issue on them. Whenever uploading videos, I always check the copyright, and when I get the message that this video are free to use or there's no copyright on them, that is when I publish. On my channel I have one community guideline warning, and this warning comes from the video which I upload, and the video is only showing the environment of our state, but YouTube thought that this is misleading, so they have gave me a warning on this video, so I have to remove the video. That warning is still there. And again, I re-upload one of the animal niche content from other people, from one of the creator on YouTube. I redid it and then re-upload it. After a month or 2 months, the person requests me to remove it. I didn't get the message, but immediately the YouTube teams give me one strike. We mean that on my YouTube right now I have 1 out of 3 strikes. We mean that I have 2 warning remain, so that they can demonetize like what they did now, or they can permanently delete my YouTube channel. I have request the creator that please, you do not have to take my channel down or take the video down. All you gotta do is send me a message and then I will delete, which I did. I sent the creator a message, but the creator did not send me back the message. I already deleted the videos, and the video do not even have viewers, maybe 16 views. 16, imagine 16 views, and it was a short. So I removed the video, and this is become a strike, and they say that they will remove it maybe on December 8th. So that's this 2022. That's when they will remove this copy or strike on my channels. So I have 1 strike and 1 community guideline. And again, when I check all my videos, there's no problem there. There's no copyright. But what I have a ton of YouTube Shorts viewers. Now, if YouTube is giving me a warning, they are sending me a message, and again they have removed my YouTube's from monetizations, and my YouTube is no longer making any money right now because of this, I contact them. So the message that they send, you can even read the support information, because I was talking to the creator support team. I sent them a message, talk to them, and then they told me what the problem is. And when I checked, there's no problem. They did not even tell me that shorts are the one making your YouTube to be uneasy. So what I'm doing right now is to remove those short videos, which I did not create them myself, but I found them from YouTube. And they are shorts which are created by other creators. So this is what I'm doing. I'm removing them because they might be the thing that make my YouTube to be demonetized. They give me 14 days to review my channels, and they say that I should have sent them an appeal. And now what I'm doing, I'm not sending an appeal. I'm trying to clean my YouTube second, because I know that this is my mistake. I have to clean it. And now I'm removing all these short videos on my YouTubes, and also checking all the videos that might not be mine. So this is what I'm doing. 90% of the videos which are on this channel, they are all mine. I'm a musician, and also I'm a content creator. I do community service, like shooting community videos. If you look at my channel right now, most of the videos, they are from the community. Also, much of the videos also, they are from the artists, the artists that I work with, which I compose them also myself. So I have the right to upload those things because they are my work. And again, if you look the thing that I upload, you will find that there are some games videos or football videos, and those videos I redid them. I download and read it again, but there's no voiceover on them. So I also found that without putting a voice on top of those videos which you download or create by others creator, this is also a violation. You need to understand that. So please make sure you delete those short videos to avoid any issue from YouTube team. So right now I'm not sending them appeal videos. I will wait after I clean, because that I have 30 days. After I clean my YouTube channel, remove all this shorts, that's when I will reapply. And also the warning that they send, they said if you deleted any video before or after getting this message, an appeal message, please, you don't have to send us the appeal because they do not have to check video which are already deleted from the system. So what I'm doing, I will wait for 30 days to reapply, because I know of course it is very frustrating right now to me. It is very painful working on your channel for many years, and then you come to an obstacle that cannot allow you to move on. But I'm not going to stop because I know where the problem is. I have to work again. I'm also advising you do the same thing. Do not panic, just try to do something which is yours, create your own stuff. That's all. This is what I want to tell you right now. So delete all those short videos which are not yours, or if you create them yourself, okay, do not delete them. But check, because tomorrow this problem will come to you. So please try to avoid. Thank you for watching. Bye.